Hey guys, Craig here again with howtopest.com. Today we're going to come at you with a little different video. We're not going to highlight a specific product. We're going to answer some of the most common questions that we get that come into our site. So let's start with the first question. People ask, what is the difference between a non-repellent and a repellent? To make this as simple as possible, a repellent is something the bugs sense that is there, the insects, and they try to get away from it. In the process, they generally go through it and it works and it wipes them out that way. A non-repellent is something they have no idea that is there. Where this works really well are with your ant jobs and your roach jobs, and then even your bed bug jobs, where you just really want them to go over this product and just take it back to the nest and wipe out the whole colony. You want that in general with everything, but the non-repellents, they work really well for that. The next question we get is pesticide rotation. So let's talk about baits. You look at the baits and you think there are a wide variety of baits out there, and there are, but that is for the reason of resistance. If you put down the same bait all the time, they are going to build up a resistance to that bait, or they're not even going to be attracted to that bait anymore. So if you have a roach job where you need to do constant cockroach treatments, you're going to want to rotate those baits. And we generally rotate our baits about every 2 to 3 months. You can push it 6 months as a homeowner, but you're kind of getting towards the end of the spectrum on that. I would rotate more every 3 months at the minimum. What's the other question we get? How often should I spray my house? This is going to vary, guys. It's going to depend on what type of chemical you put down. It's going to depend on the weather, extreme heat, heavy rains, and just in general, your infestation problem. If you don't have a major problem and you're just trying to do a maintenance, you can get away with every 3 months, quarterly. Most people that go monthly are your businesses and restaurants. A lot of houses, they just don't need to spray monthly, so they'll go every other month. And then a lot of them will go quarterly. But like I said, that depends on weather and how bad of an infestation or an ongoing problem that you have. Back to the rotations. I forgot to mention this. Not only do you rotate your baits, but you're also going to rotate your sprays. And it's for the same reason. If you spray the same spray all the time, they are going to build up a resistance to that. So rotate your sprays every 3 months. So if you buy a little pint-sized bottle, buy another pint-sized bottle of a different chemical. You can go back and forth. You don't have to keep finding a new chemical every time or a new bait, but you got to rotate them so you don't give them that chance of building up the resistance. So those are three of the most popular questions we get. If you guys have more, we would love to do videos like this and answer them for you. Or if you think there's something we left out and didn't answer for you, just go ahead and reach out to us at howtopest.com. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.